Radhe to all, and I hope everybody is doing perfectly fine. So today we'll be discussing Bombay blood group. So though we know many blood group systems like your ABO blood group, RH system, then Lewis, Kelkit, Duffy, MNS system. So there are many systems, but what we follow regularly is your normal ABO blood group system, जहाँ से आपको पता चलता है आपका blood group A, B, AB, O, positive, negative correspondingly. So इसी तरह से एक Bombay blood group term है. So it does not mean that this blood group is found only in Bombay. So this name is being given. No. So this is Bombay blood group which was first detected in Bombay in some individual. That is why it is referred to as Bombay blood group. Some ये होगी एक important बात. And next is why it is important to know this blood group specifically. So let's discuss. So first point I'd like to say you that कि Bombay blood group इसको बोलते हैं हम and we call it as HH. HH means recessive. HH is this, when we write capital HH is like a dominant inheritance होती है. HH is your recessive inheritance, right? So mother father must be heterozygous or one like for this to transfer to the kids. So it is a rare blood group as I have already told you, and now coming to the point why it is called Bombay blood group. So it was first discovered in Bombay by Y.M. Bhende in 1952, way back in 1952, just imagine. So now इतना भी टाइम नहीं हुआ है. So उससे पहले just you can think कि it was not discovered till 1952. So that must have created transfusion reaction earlier. So this was found in 1952, and where it is found in which region? Regions are like your Indian subcontinent here in our country India, Bangladesh, Pakistan and Iran also. So what is the defect? है क्या defect in individuals में या क्या problem हो रही है in individuals में? इन जो बॉम्बे ब्लड ग्रुप वाले लोग होते हैं उनकी आरबीसी पे जो हमारे नॉर्मली जैसे होती है ना आरबीसीज वी नो द सर्कुलर आरबीसीज आर देयर राइट. सो इनमें एब्सेंट होता है ए बी एंड ओ. सो ऑल दीज ए एंटीजन बी एंटीजन एंड ओ एंटीजन आर एब्सेंट, right? And they have an additional antigen that was previously unknown, HH antigen, the small h. So they do not express this H antigen, right? Means I'm talking about the H, capital H minded. So they are HH recessive. So वो H antigen नहीं है. So they are lacking the capital H antigen. So हम इसीलिए उसको small h से represent करते हैं. उनमें ये नहीं है. जो ये एक normal एक चीज़ आप समझो. एक होता है H substance, ठीक है? तो H substance जो होती है, so this H substance we require for production of H. H substance will make your H antigen. ठीक है? तो H substance से H antigen बनता है. ये H antigen बनाता है A antigen, B antigen, O antigen. So देख अगर H substance जो capital H substance नहीं है तो H substance cannot make your the Bombay blood group वाले क्या करेंगे? They will not be able to make A antigen और B antigen क्योंकि H substance बनाता है A substance, B substance. A substance, B substance, subsequently it makes your A antigen, B antigen. So A O कुछ नहीं होगा. O blood group जो normal O blood group होती है उनमें भी H antigen होता है, capital H, right? So ए बी एंटीजन नहीं बनेंगे बॉम्बे ब्लड ग्रुप में ए बी ओ. सो ऑल थ्री एंटीजन आर एब्सेंट. सो इसीलिए इस प्रॉपर्टी की वजह से क्या फायदा है? सो दे कैन बॉम्बे ब्लड ग्रुप पीपल कैन डोनेट आरबीसीज टू एनी मेंबर ऑफ एबीओ ब्लड ग्रुप सिस्टम. बट हाँ जो हम आर एच कंपैटिबिलिटी जरूर होनी चाहिए. इट शुड बी आर एच. अगर वो आर एच सिस्टम इज डिफरेंट सिस्टम. एबीओ से मतलब नहीं है उसको, करेक्ट? सो एबीओ वाले किसी भी एबीओ वाले को बॉम्बे ब्लड ग्रुप वाले अपना ब्लड डोनेट कर सकते हैं एंड बट आर एच पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव कंपैटिबिलिटी होनी चाहिए. बट vice versa they cannot receive blood from any member of ABO blood group. Suppose you are ABO blood group, you cannot give blood to person with Bombay blood group. So it is very dangerous situation for them. So that is why they can only receive blood from a person with Bombay phenotype only. और अगर ये नहीं अगर किसी और से इन्होंने रिसीव कर लिया, सपोज मेरा ब्लड ग्रुप बॉम्बे ब्लड ग्रुप है, राइट? इफ आई रिसीव ब्लड फ्रॉम ए पॉजिटिव और ए नेगेटिव पर्सन, सो व्हाट विल हैपन? in my body there will be an immune reaction, and this immunoglobulin will be produced in my body against all the antigens, not only against A and B but also against H antigen, because I don't have H antigen also. So my body is A, B, H deficient, capital H nahi hai mere paas. So it's like a first time this body is getting all those alien antigens in our body, in my body. So I'll produce antibody for all A, B and H. So that will lead to acute hemolytic transfusion reaction. So detection is important because क्योंकि वही डिटेक्शन इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि नहीं पता चलेगा तो क्या होगा, पेशेंट विल लैंड अप इन ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन रिएक्शन. सो और एक और इंपॉर्टेंट बात होती है, जो अगर हम नॉर्मल ब्लड टेस्ट कराते हैं, ब्लड ग्रुपिंग, इफ यू गो बाय द स्लाइड मेथड, सो व्हाट दिस ब्लड ग्रुप विल बी शोन एज ओ ब्लड ग्रुप. करेक्ट, क्योंकि ओ में तो कोई एंटीजन, हम जब एबीओ सिस्टम से करते हैं तो ओ हमारा नेगेटिव आता है, ठीक है, किसी में भी पॉजिटिव नहीं आया तो इट इज एबी इज नेगेटिव, सो इट इज ओ, राइट. सो दैट इज व्हाई हाउ वी इंटरप्रेट. So this blood group, Bombay blood group, will get undetected if we are not having the other tests to confirm it कि yes this is Bombay blood group. So why this anti जो H के against अगर immunoglobulin भी develop हो जाती है ना, so that will lead to your acute hemolytic transfusion reaction. उसमें क्या होता है, RBC की lysis हो जाती है. So point to remember is knowledge of Bombay blood group is must among the people also, then lab technicians, doctor and the transfusion doctors who are giving. So this should have an awareness, and also a person who know the history of Bombay blood group in their family, because it is a recessive blood group. H small h से हम represent कर रहे हैं, so they must be having some family history, and usually it is seen in closed group, some group which get married to each other. So that is because to express in recessive way, right? So like in consanguineous marriage or in marriages in very closed group, so there also some history of Bombay blood group must be there. So and secondly, this test, the test to confirm this must be available at the center before blood transfusion. So in nutshell what I would say, Bombay blood group Bombay वाले लोगों में नहीं होता है. This is not the thing. It is called Bombay blood group because it was first discovered in Bombay in 1952, and there is capital H substance which is seen in blood group of ABO individuals. This H substance is required to produce H antigen, A antigen and B antigen and O. So they have this. If H substance is not there, so Bombay blood group patients में क्या होता है, capital H antigen is not there, so their blood will they will not be able to produce A antigen or B antigen, ठीक है, and they have small HH because H antigen is absent, so it is a recessive condition, right? And they can give blood to all the members of ABO blood group, but RH compatibility is must. They cannot receive blood from any ABO grouping system individuals, so they can receive blood only from Bombay blood group individuals. And knowing is important because अगर mismatch हो जाता है, these person of Bombay blood group can land up in your acute hemolytic transfusion reaction, right? And then to avoid these conditions, you need to have a proper test. Patient should give proper history. Consanguineous marriage or marriage in closed group should be disclosed, and if any known history is there, a person should tell to the doctors, and also the lab technician and the concerned transfusion medicine doctor should be made aware, or any nursing staff should be made aware of this blood group entity, and there must be a confirmatory test to label the person as Bombay blood group. So thank you so much for your patient hearing, and wishing you all a very happy and a prosperous new year. Thank you, and please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel Patho with MK. Thank you so much.